I'm just better. I'm sorry, guys. Hey, what's up, guys? So this was a game that I played where we had basically no communication throughout the game. I'm gonna be entirely honest. I think maybe my game bugged out and I just couldn't hear these people talk. It's very weird for me to have a game where literally nobody says a single word. They said something at the beginning of the game. I think it probably just bugged out. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel down below. Check us out on Twitch where we have so many awesome people. And yeah, enjoy. How's it going, guys?
Oh.
All right. You ready to win? Oh shit, they are just out. Okay, glad they calmed that. Hey, we're just gonna full rush B. Is this just a diamond elo? If people don't say anything and they just run in and die? Yeah, it's very weird. They're probably on their Discord call or something, they're just not saying anything. That's what I'm assuming. Okay, I'm gonna blind Raptors for you, Jet. Okay, thanks for dashing up there. Dashes onto site instead. Cool. You still have bomb, Sova? Bro, Sova, you still bomb? You still have the bomb, by the way. I don't know if you could hear me. I fucking hate this rank, dude. Home blind does go far. You know what also goes far? Playing like an intelligent human being and not peeking ramp when you have the bomb. It goes very far. I don't actually know if my mic's working right now, so I'm gonna test at the beginning of the next round. It doesn't seem like they're responding to things that I'm saying at all. She stuck it. I don't think she got it. She got it. Nice try, nice try. Yo, so if it doesn't peek that, we win that round. Just for the record. If he just goes to the fucking site with the bomb, we win that round. It's easy done. This is what I hate about solo queuing. You get shit like this. We're just like, I'm almost positive they're just like all queued together or some shit, and like they're just not talking.
Shadows traveling.
This Jet's just gonna haul ass on the site, I'm sure. So I'm trying to smoke shit off her. Nice.
Spike planted.
Nice. I'm not doing it. I'm just sitting back while they rush things, but I'm like, this is my job as a support, dude. I don't know who to support. They're all just full sprinting at everyone. I'm like, I guess I could come with the Jet, maybe? I don't know.
Right here. Shoot, reloading. Last player standing.
Unfortunate. I killed the Phoenix. It wasn't a clean spray, but I got the Phoenix. I killed the right threat. They just didn't deal with the left threat. You hate to see it, man. This defense didn't work last time, but I guess we'll do it again.
Cover going out.
Found them.
Let go.
One enemy remaining.
Blinding.
Nice. All by myself. Don't wanna be all by myself. I don't know how that song goes. That's why I'm assuming it goes. I think that's the only part of the song I've ever heard. Duelist first. I've main support agent since beta, but started playing Jet for a few games the past few days, and it was a lot of different experience. Jet is overpowered, so I imagine. I'm just kidding. No, yeah, playing supports versus playing duelists is definitely very weird. It's nice to play a duelist for a while though, just to learn how to not play like a bitch. Because a lot of people like they only play Killjoy and they just bait all game, you know. And it's like it's really frustrating from like the perspective of somebody who's like trying not to get baited, by your Sentinels. I know though, like Sentinels, that's kind of like their job. They like play back and play safe, you know. But it's like to an extent, right? You need their assistance, like. So it's hard sometimes.
The hunt begins.
One enemy remaining.
Just because they're a Sentinel doesn't mean they don't have a gun to shoot people with. Right. You know, I've seen Bappo frag out on Killjoy all the time. I fragged on Killjoy. It's like a lot of people just think, oh, I'm playing a Sentinel, so I'm supposed to sit back, which is like to an extent, you know. If I'm going in, I still need somebody to train me, you know. We are doing full pushes today. My team, they decided they didn't want to calm at all, and then they're gonna full push everything. So I'm trying to assist them.
Stealing sight.
Enemy spotted. One enemy remaining.
Dude, those particles were kind of throwing me off there. Last one, Evan.
Last player standing.
Don't lose
One
this.
enemy remaining.
She's so hesitant. Nice. We're in right now. We're D2. And comms have never been better. Oh no. We do keep going B. It was working for the most part. I just fucked up there. I challenged the blinded guy rather than the guy in rafters. I probably should challenge the guy in rafters. She's walking with her knife out towards the recon dart that he just shot. Yeah, and this guy's running Spectre exclusively. No shot, he sticks. Oh, he's sticking. He dinked it. I missed every shot there. That's so disappointing.
Last player standing.
Oh no. That is so disappointing, dude. All three of them were just like completely oblivious, and I missed every shot. But were you going to school first? What do you do if you go back? I was going for communications. If I go back, I'll probably go for marketing instead, because communications just, I don't think it's gonna be that good. I was kind of like studying social media marketing though when I was going for communications anyway, so that was kind of where I was at. They all Spectre full armor. What is going on in this game? Spike down tunnels. That was a clutch kill on that killjoy, dude. Because that let me reposition entirely. I mean, I didn't end up killing the Reyna there, but I would have. I hate this team so much, dude. I hate them so much. They just haven't said a word. They're leaving me all alone. It's like I'm playing League of Legends, dude.
10 seconds left.
Oh, they have to be a 4-stack. They gotta. Except they can't. The Reyna's too high of a rank. She can't even queue with them. So it's a Reyna who doesn't want to talk, and then a 4-stack who only buys Spectres, or a 3-stack that only buys Spectre. What are they doing?
Shadows traveling.
Okay, I guess that's where it decided to TP me. I hate the fucking TP right now, dude.
Look at this dude.
He's checking there like... What is this rank? He didn't realize that his teammates killed me. He goes to check if I'm there, and then he ends up dying. I'm upset that he's that bad. It's clearly this. Oh no. I know my play wasn't good. I was trying to TP over there, but it TP'd me like right here. Like what the fuck? Just literally right here. I'm getting shot by people.
You're dead.
Last player standing.
Okay.
Spike planted.
God, I hate this game sometimes.
Shadows traveling.
Cool, we double swing the Vandals with Spectres and then they get killed. Like to see it.
Last player standing. Still in sight.
That Omen is so bad, dude. He has an op too? Why?
Last player standing.
Silence.
One enemy remaining.
I'm just better. I'm sorry, guys. Man, dude. Fuck those guys. I'm really not an opera. Team's still silent. They don't say a fucking word, man. I just carried the shit out of that round there. It would have been fucking match point had I not done that. Had I not decided to just pop off, fucking annihilate that Omen. Can I do it again? I don't think so. Not this time, guys. Oh, God. They're gonna make me do it again, dude. Oh, jeez. Yeah, we pushed B every round. I think we go A or something here, I'm gonna be honest. They're not gonna listen to my call if I say it, but like, I think that going A is probably the right play, considering we push B every single round.
Still in sight.
No fucking way.
Player standing.
No shot that just happened, dude. What the fuck? Just aiming at somebody else just
Switching sides.
fucking annihilates me. Not cool. What's going on? Bad teammates? They're not saying a word, Ducky. Nobody's saying shit.
Shadows traveling. Blinding.
10 seconds left. Spike planted.
My ultimate is ready. There's fight. Watch them run.
Oh no. Oh no. Super mega sweaty.
Oh,
I wish I could
time.
say it's sweaty, but nobody's saying anything. These guys could be having the most casual game of their life. They could be talking about TikTok right now for all I fucking know. But no, they're just sitting here playing the game. Jesus Christ, dude. I can't. Nobody's saying a fucking word.
You were a mistake.
One enemy remaining.
Nice. Oh man,
sides.
do they have mics?
Match point.
They said one of them said one word at the beginning of the game. I said, "Hey guys, what's up?" or something like that, and he said, "Yeah, okay," or something like that. It was like that was it. I don't know exactly what he said, but he said it was like one word. Yeah, or, let's go. I was just like, I have no idea. I have zero idea, man. They gotta be A, right? We just all rotated off of A. We're running out of Molly here, and I'm blinding.
Blinding.
One enemy remaining.
Thank God it's over. Oh my
Defenders
God. That was the worst 40 minutes of silence I've ever had in my life, dude. Nobody's saying a word. Nobody said a thing the entire game. I'm just sitting here. Guys, talk to me. Oh my God, dude. I gotta go back and see that clutch, though. That clutch was sexy, man. That felt good.
It's all about humanity.
Planted.
It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity.
That was just better right there. I'm happy about that. That one's going. That one's going on the fridge.